simple food. Salted egg, white egg, and on and tomato rice soup. And cook. Let's eat my dinner. This is my dinner. Tomato, salted egg, rice soup. I have salted egg and white egg. This boiled egg, regular egg, and tomato, rice soup, salted egg, big tomato. I like the boiled egg. Very healthy. And salted egg. Yummy to do. Only little bit rice soup. Kami lah. Ano? Ito. Okay. Red egg. Red egg. Red egg. Salted egg, red egg is only one. Salted egg and tomato is a good combination. And rice soup. I like tomato. Big egg. Only one put in my mouth. Yeah. Delicious. Rice and salted egg. Wow. Evening a little bit rice. Normal, I don't eat rice in the evening, but I like salted egg and boiled egg. No more. Only cook. Cook. Cheers.